Want to know the secrets of selling on Etsy? Welcome to the world of Sarah Moore's book, How to Sell on Etsy, Etsy Shop Secrets to Sell Your Craft Online. This comprehensive guide is a treasure trove of insights and practical advice designed to help you navigate the realm of Etsy. Sarah Moore, a seasoned Etsy seller and author, shares her expertise to help you set up, optimize, and profit from your Etsy shop. Stay tuned to uncover the secrets to success on Etsy. Starting an Etsy shop can feel overwhelming, but not if you're well prepared. The first chapter of Sarah Moore's How to Sell on Etsy, Etsy Shop Secrets to Sell Your Craft Online, offers a wealth of knowledge to get you off on the right foot. It all begins with choosing the right products. Your offerings should not only be unique and high quality, but also align with your passion and expertise. Then, understanding the Etsy marketplace is crucial. Familiarize yourself with the platform's policies, popular categories, and what sells well. This will help you carve out a niche for your products. Finally, setting up your shop is more than just uploading products. It involves creating a compelling shop name, crafting an engaging shop story, and setting clear policies. Remember, your shop is a reflection of your brand. Success starts with a solid foundation, your Etsy shop. Your product listings can make or break your Etsy success. Now picture this, you've crafted something magnificent. But how do you convey its charm and value online? First, let's talk about product photography. Your items need to shine through the screen, so invest time in capturing high-quality, well-lit images that highlight the details and uniqueness of your products. Next, let's dive into descriptions. Your words should paint a vivid picture and tell a compelling story. Describe the materials, craftsmanship, and the inspiration behind your item. Remember, you're not just selling a product, but an experience. Finally, optimizing your listings for search is crucial. Use relevant keywords in your title and description. This helps your products show up in Etsy search results, leading potential customers straight to your shop. In essence, creating captivating product listings is an art that combines aesthetics, storytelling, and strategy. With captivating product listings, your crafts will surely catch buyers' eyes. Marketing is the key to attracting customers to your Etsy shop. And how do you achieve that? Let's explore. First, conquer the world of social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are your best friends. Sharing your products, behind-the-scenes stories, and customer testimonials can draw attention and traffic to your shop. Next, email marketing. This is a powerful tool to keep your customers updated on your latest products, sales, and shop updates. Remember, the key to email marketing is to provide value, not just sell. Finally, consider leveraging Etsy ads. They could potentially boost your shop's visibility to a larger audience. But tread carefully. Make sure to analyze whether the return on investment is worth it for your shop. Marketing strategies may seem overwhelming at first, but once you get the hang of it, they can be your greatest allies. With proper marketing, your Etsy shop can reach heights you've never imagined. Finally, let's talk about the moolah, maximizing your profit. The secret to a successful Etsy shop isn't just about selling, it's about selling smart. And one of the smartest moves you can make is optimizing your pricing strategy. You see, the right price can make all the difference. It's a delicate balance between covering your costs, staying competitive, and still making a tidy profit. Now, let's shift gears and talk about customer engagement. Engaging with your customers is more than just responding to messages. It's about creating a relationship, a connection. Be proactive, reach out, ask for feedback, and always offer excellent customer service. Remember, a happy customer is a repeat customer. By maximizing your profit and engaging with your customers, you'll not only make money but also build a loyal customer base. And that, my friends, is the true secret to long-term success on Etsy. And there you have it, the secrets to selling on Etsy. We've explored setting up your Etsy shop, crafting engaging product listings, marketing strategies, and maximizing profit and customer engagement. Each chapter in Sarah Moore's book delves deeper into these topics, offering valuable insights and practical advice. To truly unlock the full potential of your Etsy shop, consider buying How to Sell on Etsy, Etsy Shop Secrets to Sell Your Craft Online. Start your journey to Etsy success today. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.